This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So I have a next question. We have some issues going on our some of the website, especially the mobile responsiveness. We have some issues going on with the multiple browser, where based on the browser, responsive behavior is very strange, and user is complaining all the time. We get a lot of ticket from user because of the responsive issues. So tell me, what is responsiveness and how do we check responsiveness on a website?
Okay, responsiveness refers to the ability of a website to adapt its layout to the viewing environment, like yeah, for ensuring a good experience across the different devices like desktop, tablets, and smartphones. So responsiveness is very important for the user experiences. And, responsiveness basically can be checked using by our browsers development tools, and we can also make like changes in the basically browser window. We can check it.
Sure. So again, the answer would be, so responsiveness is to ensure that the web application we are developing, it should be accessible for regardless of any browser, any devices. When user can see, when user browse my application, as an example, TS4U from their a mobile device, but using a specific browser, example, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other, we want to make sure that the user can see the visually everything on the same screen. Means it should not be faded, it should not be like the scattered or anything else. So on my case, I ensure that when I build the website, it is accessible from the browser and all the devices. And that is actually, it can be tested from the website, web browser, that selecting the different devices, and it shows the device dimension.